Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Khalid Pribadi Utomo with NPN 2231210 and 4 from class EF22B. This time I will discuss algorithm complexity theory. Algorithm complexity theory is an important field in computer science that studies the extent of computational resource such as time and space required or run an algorithm. It's help us understand the performance of algorithm in various situations and allow us to choose the right algorithm for a given task. Algorithmic complexity theory an important role in software development, optimization, and the basic understanding of computation limitation. Basic concept. Algorithm complexity theory deals with the following question. One, how fast an algorithm? This involves first analyzing the execution times of the algorithm in relation to the input size and two, how much space does the algorithm require? This refers to the analysis of memory usage by the algorithm. 3. How efficient in algorithm? Efficiency can be measured in various ways depending on the goal, for example, minimal execution times or minimal resource usage. 4. How will the algorithm behave as the input size grows? Will the algorithm become slower linearly, exponentially, or in some other way? Notation big O. Big O notation is a common way to express the times complexity of an algorithm. This provides an estimate of how the algorithm execution times will change as the input size n grows. The notation O describes the upper asymptotic bound the execution times in terms of growing n. Example of O notation include O1 or constant, O log n or algorithmic, On or linear, O n log n or linearitmic, On2 quadratic, and many others. For example, O1 means the execution time is fixed, while On means the execution time linear as and grows. That's the types of complexity problem. There are three general categories in algorithm complexity theory. One, P or polynomial times. A class of P problem includes problems that can be solved in time limited by a polynomial of the input test. The means that the exact solution can be found in a efficient times such as ON, ON2 or ON3. NP or non-deterministic polynomial type. The class of NP problems include problems that given an candidate solution can be verified in polynomial types. This means that if someone gives you answer, you can check in correction in times efficient manner. Example of NP problems include the TSP or traveling salesman problem and the Knapsack's problem, the existence of ex- excess solution in polynomial time has not been proven. 3 and be complete. or NPC. This is a subclass of NP problem that is considered the most difficulty if you can win an algorithm that solves an NP complex problem in polynomial times. You can also solve an NP problems in polynomial times. Some example of NPC problems include HIT or Boolean satisfiability problems and 3SIT. For NP-hard, this is a class problem that are the less complex as NPC problem. They may not be in the NP class, but they are still very difficult to solve. Algorithm of analysis strategies. There are several algorithm and strategies used to analyze algorithm complexity. One, divide and conquer. The strategy involves breaking a problem into smaller sub-problems, solving them separately and combining their solution. Example of this algorithm are match, sort, and quicksort. Two, dynamic programming. This is a strategy that involves breaking down a large problem into smaller subproblems and storing the solution of the subproblems to avoid repetitive calculation. Dijkstra algorithm for finding the shortest distance is an example of using dynamic programming. 3. Greedy algorithms. This algorithm makes similarly optimal decision at steps without considering future implication. However, this does not always result in optimal solution to all problems. For branch and bot is a strategy used in combinatorial problem solving, such as DSP. This involves exploring a decision tree with bound to cut off branches are unlikely to produce an optimal solution. What randomized algorithm? This algorithm use random element in the decision making process. They are often used for difficult optimization problem. Multi-session analysis. Multi-session analysis is way to measure the complexity of an algorithm for a set of operations that occur repeatedly. It takes into account the total cost of a set of operations divided by the number of operations. An example of this application and the analysis of algorithm complexity in data structure, such as dynamic array or array list and hash tables. Example of algorithm complexity analysis. Let's look at two examples of algorithm complexity analysis. One, linear search algorithm. A linear search algorithm is a simple algorithm that examines its element in a list until the search element in one analysis. The complexity is O n, where is the length of the list. This means the algorithm execution times close linear with the input sense. 2. Quicksort algorithm. The quicksort algorithm or quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm that as average complexity of O n log n in sorting. However, in the word case, the complexity is O n 2. This is because this algorithm cause bad pivot in some cases, resulting in a unbalanced split. Average, average complexity is the result of many sorts with different phones. The importance of algorithm complexity theory. Algorithm complexity theory has had a major impact on various aspects of computer science and software development, including one, algorithm selection. This theory helps us choose the most suitable algorithm for a particular task based on the limitation of available time and space. Two, understanding computation limitation. This helps us understand the limitation in data processing and help identify problems that might not have efficient solution. Three, code optimization. By understanding the complexity of algorithm, we can identify parts of the code that need to be optimized to improve application performance. 4. Solving difficult problems. This theory helps identify problems that are difficult to solve and guides the search of approximates or heuristic solution. 5. Software development. Considering the limited computation resource, understanding the complexity of algorithm helps in efficient software planning and development. Con- Conclusion. Algorithm complexity theory is an important field in computer science that allow us to analyze, understand, and select the most appropriate algorithm for various tasks. It's help in software development, optimization, and complex problem solving by using annotation, problem the complexity, and appropriate analysis strategies. We can understand how efficient the algorithm in solving the problem considering times and contraction. That's my discussion about algorithm complexity theory. If there are any mistake, I'm sorry, and it. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.